Welcome back to Brutology. Imagine a motorhome so luxurious, so rare, and so unbelievably extravagant that it looks less like a vehicle and more like a moving palace made of precious gems. Today we're exploring something that feels straight out of a billionaire's dream. The world's most luxurious, red diamond motorhome ever built. From the outside, this motorhome already looks extraordinary. Its body shines with a deep glossy red finish that sparkles under sunlight like a giant ruby, moving on the highway. But what makes this motorhome truly unbelievable is the material embedded throughout its design: rare red diamonds. Red diamonds are among the rarest gemstones on Earth. In fact, fewer red diamonds exist in the world than many people realize, and their price can reach millions of dollars per carat. Now imagine not just one or two, but thousands of carefully placed red diamonds integrated into the design of a luxury motorhome. The creators of this masterpiece wanted to build something that had never existed before. Most luxury motorhomes focus on comfort and technology, but this one goes several steps further. Every exterior detail has been crafted with elegance and extravagance. Small red diamonds are embedded along the body panels, around the headlights, and even along the door frames. When sunlight hits the motorhome, it creates a sparkling effect that makes the vehicle glow like a moving treasure. But the real magic begins when you step inside. As the automatic door opens, you're welcomed into an interior that feels more like a 7-star hotel suite than a motorhome. The floors are made of polished marble with subtle red gemstone patterns running through them. The walls are finished with soft velvet panels, combined with glossy wood and red diamond accents. Even the ceiling lights are surrounded by small diamonds that reflect light beautifully, creating a warm, luxurious atmosphere. The living area is designed for ultimate comfort and style. Imagine sitting on a massive handcrafted leather sofa that feels softer than anything you've ever experienced. The sofa faces a huge, ultra-thin smart television, built into a wall panel decorated with red diamond strips. With a touch of a button, the lighting changes color. The curtains close automatically, and the entertainment system transforms the living space into a private luxury cinema. Moving toward the kitchen area, things become even more impressive. This isn't a typical RV kitchen, it's a full gourmet kitchen, designed for professional chefs. The countertops are made from rare red marble, while the cabinets feature gold handles with small red diamonds embedded into them. There's a smart refrigerator, induction cooking surfaces, and hidden storage compartments that open with fingerprint recognition. One of the most breathtaking parts of this motorhome is the bedroom. The bed itself looks like it belongs in a royal palace. The headboard is covered with premium leather and decorated with carefully placed red diamonds that sparkle under soft lighting. The mattress is custom designed for perfect comfort, ensuring that the owner sleeps like royalty even while traveling across the country. The bedroom also includes a large panoramic window with automatic tint technology. During the day, it allows natural light to enter, and at night it transforms into a private viewing screen, where you can watch the stars from the comfort of your bed. Next comes the luxury bathroom, which feels more like a spa. The bathroom walls are made of polished stone with subtle red diamond detailing. The shower includes rainfall water systems, temperature memory controls, and glass panels with golden frames. There's also a smart mirror that displays weather updates, travel information, and even entertainment while you get ready. Of course, a motorhome this luxurious wouldn't be complete without advanced technology. The entire vehicle runs on a powerful smart control system. Through a tablet or smartphone, the owner can control lighting, temperature, security cameras, window shades, entertainment systems, and even driving assistance features. The motorhome also includes an advanced self-driving support system, making long journeys smoother and safer. Hidden solar panels help power the electronics, while a high-capacity battery system ensures that the motorhome can operate independently for long periods without needing external power. And if you think the luxury stops inside, think again. At the side of the motorhome, a hidden section slides out to reveal a private outdoor lounge area. With the press of a button, a mini terrace extends outward, complete with luxury chairs, a small bar counter, and ambient lighting. It's the perfect place to relax while enjoying breathtaking views in nature. But the biggest question everyone asks is, how much does something like this cost? Considering the rare red diamonds, custom craftsmanship, luxury materials, and cutting-edge technology, experts estimate that a motorhome like this could easily be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. That's right, a single motorhome that costs more than many luxury mansions. This incredible creation isn't just a vehicle. It's a symbol of extreme luxury, innovation, and imagination. It proves that when designers push the limits of creativity, Even something as practical as a motorhome can be transformed into a moving masterpiece. The world of luxury vehicles continues to evolve every year, but creations like the Red Diamond Motorhome stand in a league of their own. It's not just about transportation, it's about experiencing travel in the most extravagant way possible. So imagine cruising down a scenic highway inside, a rolling palace sparkling with the rarest diamonds on Earth, surrounded by comfort, technology, and luxury beyond imagination. That's the dream this incredible motorhome brings to life. If you enjoyed discovering this unbelievable luxury creation, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more amazing stories about the world's most extraordinary inventions here on Breathtaking.